In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious mango smoothie with brown sugar tapioca pearls. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 mangoes cubed, 1 cup brown sugar tapioca pearls cooked, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons honey, and 1 cup of ice. We are going to start off by adding the milk to a blender. Then we are going to add in the honey. Next, we are going to add in our mangoes. Now we are going to add the lid to the blender and blend this mixture until it becomes smooth. Once our mixture is smooth, we are going to add the ice and blend again until the ice is completely crushed. Now we are going to add the brown sugar tapioca pearls to the bottom of a cup. Then we are going to pour our mango smoothie over the tapioca pearls. Our smoothie is ready to serve. We hope you enjoy.